Presenting the pTron Studio over-ear Bluetooth 5.0 wireless headphones with mic, hi-fi sound with deep bass, 12 hours playback, ergonomic and lightweight wireless headset, soft cushions ear pads, aux port. It comes in color options of blue and black. It comes with mic sensitivity, 42 dB 3 dB and over-the-ear wireless headphones with stereo sound and bass. Best deep bass and accurate notes with these Bluetooth headphones and true and pure stereo sound from large 40mm speakers with superior output. It has 10 hours of talk time, 2 hours charging time and 500 hours of standby time. It also has Bluetooth 5.0, 10 meters wireless range and speaker impedance, 32. Speaker sensitivity, 105 dB 3 dB and micro USB charging cable provided. The delivery box contains 1 headphones and 1 user manual, 1 aux cable and 1 charging cable. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.